This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID email and password, and then sign in on the device. Once signed in, make sure two-factor authentication is enabled or that you have a trusted device or phone ready for codes. If prompted, enter the verification code and allow device access. Also check that your device is updated to the latest compatible OS so account features sync correctly. This prevents odd errors during setup and ensures compatibility with updated services and apps. Once signed in, go to Settings and tap your name to reach iCloud controls. Toggle contacts, photos, and keychain as needed so data syncs across devices. You should also verify App Store, FaceTime, and Messages are using the same Apple ID. Sign out and sign back in if an app shows a different account. Next, review payment and shipping and subscriptions to confirm billing matches what you expect, and adjust iCloud storage if backups require more space. To finish, force a quick sync by toggling an iCloud service off then on and wait for data to appear. Once done, restart your device to clear transient errors and confirm all services operate normally. If you encounter issues, make sure your Apple ID email is verified and that trusted phone numbers are current. If locked out, start account recovery or reset your password from the Apple ID page. If problems persist, note the exact error and retry after a short wait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.